Okay, hello there kids. So ngayon magkakaroon tayo ng part 2 of our week 4 quiz. So, then again, you can prepare a paper for this activity. You can actually make use of the same paper that you used nung Monday. If not, then as long as you just write your name and of course the name of the subject, which is of course math. Okay, so yun na, you already know the drill. You can just pause the video whenever you want to if you need more time. So 10-item quiz regarding word problems. Okay? Involving time. Okay, so babasahin ko and I'm gonna guide or somehow explain further for those yung medyo komplikado yung mga word problem. Okay? So, number 1. Reese needs to be in school by 7:30 a.m., which means that's our end time. 7:30. Okay. If it takes her 15 minutes to take a bath and dress up, so that's already 15 minutes for both bath and dress up. 10 minutes to eat and 20 minutes to get to school. What time does she need to wake up? So, ibig sabihin, you have the duration of everything here. Yan na. Take a bath, dress up, to eat, and to get to school. So, all you need to do is to find this one. The starting time. Time started. Kung anong oras siya dapat magising to start moving if she wants to be in school by 7:30 a.m. exactly. Okay? So, number 2. Dylan left his place at 8 a.m. It took him 3 hours and 45 minutes to reach his destination. What time did he reach his destination? So, meron tayong time started. Let me just shorten that. Time started, which is 8 a.m. You have the duration, which is 3 hours and 45 minutes. So, all you need to do now is to look for the time ended. So, basically, yung end time ng travel niya. Okay? Number 3, Anika arrived in Manila at 12:30 p.m. from Zamboanga. If the flight lasted for 1 hour and 30 minutes, what time did she leave Zamboanga? So, then again, meron tayong time ended, which is 12:30 p.m. So, take note ha, please include the units rather when you answer. So that teacher Mark will know if your answer is correct. Please either put AM or PM ba? Is it AM or PM without those? So, automatic na yung wrong. So, tala nyo. I cannot undo this. I mean, it will take time for me to undo. So, I'll just leave it there. Is this AM or PM? I mean, not here pala. Sorry. Dito pala dapat. AM or PM. Okay? So, depende yan. So, you should at least make use of logic and common sense. Okay? Number 4, Irfan is given 2 hours and 15 minutes to use his gadgets to play in a day. If he starts playing at 3:35 p.m., what time will he finish playing? So, time ended ang hinahanap natin. So, duration is given already. So, there's 2 hours and 15 minutes. Number 5, Edge walks from his house to KCC. He left his house at 8:57 a.m. and reached KCC by 9:15 a.m. How long did Edge walk from his house to KCC? So, you might tell me, Teacher Mark, bakit napakaliit lang nung time? Well, this is based literally on how Edge is located sa KCC. He literally is very near. He just needs to take like 1, 2 turns. Yun na yun. Edge's house is here. First turn here. A little curve until he reaches a certain crossing. Turn left. And KCC is already there. This is an intersection. This is Jollibee. Yan lang. Yan ang bahay niya. He lives here. Okay, so anyway. Sorry, Edge. Number 6, Ryan plays Roblox and Minecraft every day. He spends 6 hours and 45 minutes on those games. He starts playing at 8 a.m. and stops at 10:30 a.m. and resumes playing at 2:20 p.m. What time should he finish playing? Again ha, allotted time niya lang is only 6 hours and 45 minutes. So in other words, given this situation, he has two parang set of time to play, which is first set is from 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So dito pa lang dapat alamin nyo na kung ilang hours yang meron dyan so that you'll be able to figure out or deduct it from this total. And then later on, in the afternoon, magpe-play na naman siya starting at 2:20 p.m. until what time now? So first things first, you need to find out first the duration of the time that he consumed during his first session. Then subtract it from this part para malaman nyo kung ilang hours na lang yung remaining time niya. How many hours he has left or how much time he has left. So that you'll be able to find out until what time he is only allowed to play. Okay? Number 7, 1-1 loves to play NBA. He usually spends 4 hours and 45 minutes to play the game. If he starts playing at 9 p.m., what time will he finish playing? So, basic lang to. Spends 4 hours and 45 minutes, so that is your duration. If he starts playing at 9 p.m., so this is your starting time. Time started, rather. So, maghanap tayo ngayon ng time ended nyo, which is here. Given na yung duration nyo, which is 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. Medyo madali lang yung quizzes, no? Yan lang naman, mga real life application, time lang naman yan. Not to complicate things. Okay? Number 8, Milton is a wanderer. He left his house to explore places at 7:35 a.m. and arrived back home 10 minutes before 5. How long was Milton out for the day? So, meron tayong starting time natin. 7:35. Time started. Time ended. And of course, the duration. The duration is missing. Time ended is also missing. But you have a clue there. It says 10 minutes before 5 p.m. So, what time is that? Kailangan nyo lang muna hanapin to. Once you'll be able to have your time ended, you'll be able to find your duration. Okay? So, next number 9. Okay. TCG Chinita loves playing the Livic map on PUBG Mobile. It takes 15 minutes to finish one game in Livic. From full charge, she started playing at 6:55 p.m. and stopped playing at 9:40. Okay, so question letter A, how long did she play? So, meron tayong time started. We have your time started here, you have your time ended here. So, from there, you'll be able to know how long she played. And little logic lang. Since it takes 15 minutes to finish one game in Livik, how many games was she able to play in the Livik map? Okay, so basic logic lang yan. Ito, involving time talaga to. Dito naman, we just need logic for letter B. Okay? If mahirapan kayo, make use of the time. A clock. Make use of the clock. It can help you every 15 minutes. So. Remember that every 15 minutes is 1 quarter. This is 15 minutes. Another quarter is another 15 minutes. Okay? So, clue lang yan para at least maging madali lang yung exam ninyo. Number 10 needs more logic though. Teacher Mark traveled from Zamboanga City to Cagayan de Oro. The travel consists of stops as well. Okay. He had 2 stops to rest. Okay. The first stop, he took a 45-minute rest. The second stop, he took a 25-minute rest. He left Zamboanga at 5 a.m. and reached Cagayan de Oro at 6:15 p.m. So, meron tayong 5 a.m. all the way to 6:15 p.m. Oops, ando na naman. Ba't ako nagkakamali dyan sa P? Maybe I'm combining P and M at the same time. So, he could have reached CDO earlier if he did not take any stops. So, again itong 5 a.m. to 6:15 p.m. is his total travel including the stops. Kasali na yung 45 minutes rest, kasali na yung 25 minutes rest niya. Now, if he did not take any stops, meaning hindi siya nag-rest, what time would he have reached CDO? Anong oras kaya siya dapat dumating sa Cagayan de Oro? Oh, ba't ko nalagay yun? Okay. Again, the question here, if he did not take any stops, what time would he have reached CDO? So, anong oras siguro siya dumating kung hindi siya nag-stop? So, all you need to do first is to accumulate the total number of minutes that he took a rest. And you already know what to do. Okay? So, yan lang ang quiz nyo for today.